In the previous video, we created our first class with class name vehicle inside vehicle.php file. We have also imported vehicle class into index.php file and created objects or instances of vehicle class inside index.php file. But our newly created class is empty right now. We have not yet created any properties or methods inside this class. In this video, let us see how we can add properties and methods to our empty class. We know properties inside a class are associated variables of a class and methods are associated functions of a class. If we consider the vehicle class, vehicle color, vehicle type, that is the vehicle is a bus, truck or a car, vehicle make, that is which company manufactured the vehicle, can be some of the properties or associated variables inside vehicle class. The class properties can be thought as variables, since for each object the value of these properties can differ. As an example, for one vehicle object, color can be red, for another vehicle object, color may be blue, and so. So let us create some properties inside vehicle class. We have created three properties: vehicle underscore type, vehicle underscore color, and vehicle underscore make inside vehicle class. Class properties are created using $symbol, then name of the property. We have created three properties: vehicle underscore type, vehicle underscore color, and vehicle underscore make inside vehicle class. But what is the meaning of the keyword public? It is the visibility or access level for the property. A property with public visibility means it is accessible from anywhere, from inside the class, from inside a child class, or from outside of a class. We will learn about visibilities in a future lesson, but for now let us keep visibility as public. If we didn't specify any visibility like this, then it means the property has a public visibility. Now we have created three properties inside vehicle class. Since a class is a template or a blueprint, each object or instance created from the class have the properties declared inside the class, and we can set values for each of these properties of an object. So let us assign some property values for objects we have created in index.php page. We have created two objects of vehicle class inside index.php file. For the convenience, let us rename these objects to vehicle 1 and vehicle 2. Now dump vehicle 1 and dump vehicle 2. After the first object is instantiated, $vehicle 1, we use this arrow operator to access a class property through an object, and after the arrow operator, $sign is omitted. Just specify the property name. Vehicle underscore type equal to, let's say, bus. Similarly, vehicle1 arrow without dollar sign, vehicle underscore color equals green, dollar vehicle1 arrow without dollar sign, vehicle underscore make equals Volvo. In the same way, after the second object is created, vehicle2 arrow vehicle underscore type equals car, vehicle color equal to red, vehicle make equals, let's say, Honda. So we have assigned property values to both objects of vehicle class, and we have our wordum statements for both objects at the end. Now if we save index.php and call index.php inside the browser, we can see object 1 is assigned with value bus corresponding to property vehicle underscore type, and value green for property vehicle underscore color, and value Volvo corresponding to property vehicle underscore make. Similarly, object 2 is assigned with values car, red and Honda respectively. So far we have created some properties inside vehicle class, and we have created two objects from vehicle class. Further, we have learned how to access class properties and assign values to them using objects. When we access class properties and assign values to them using object vehicle1, the class properties are on the context of object vehicle1. Similarly, when we access class properties using object vehicle2, the class properties are on context of object vehicle2. Next, we will see how to add methods to our class, which can be considered as associated functions inside a class. Now, if we think about class vehicle, what could be some functions associated with it? The vehicle class can have a function or method that returns the color of the vehicle. It can contain a method that sets the price of the vehicle. Again, it can also contain a method that returns the price of the vehicle that we have set. So let us define these methods inside the vehicle class. Public function get vehicle color, opening and closing braces. We define the function body in between these braces. The public keyword here is the visibility specifier of the method. Like class properties, class methods also have three visibility levels: public, private and protected. And for class methods, they behave the same way as for class properties. A public visibility means the method is accessible from anywhere inside the class from a child class and outside the class. If we don't specify any visibility like this, then it means the method has a public visibility. We will learn properties and methods visibility in detail in next videos. Now inside this method, let us return the color of the vehicle. But color of which vehicle we want to return? Earlier we have created two vehicle class objects, vehicle 1 and vehicle 2, right? We want to return that specific vehicle object's color which have accessed this getVehicleColor method. But how do we know which object of vehicle class have accessed a class method standing inside this class method? PHP has a special keyword for that purpose, and that is $this. $this is a special keyword in PHP that refers to the object that is accessing the method that we are inside of. It means if we are accessing getVehicleColor method using object vehicle1, then $this keyword refers to object vehicle1, and if object vehicle2 access this getVehicleColor method, then $this keyword refers to object vehicle2. Then $this arrow, then property name without the dollar symbol, vehicle_color refers to current object's vehicle color property. I hope you get the idea. So this is very important to understand. So we can return the current object's vehicle color like this. Save changes in vehicle.php file. Let us go inside index.php file, and after assigning property values to object $vehicle1, we will access vehicle class method getVehicleColor using vehicle1 object like this. $vehicle1 arrow, just like we accessed the class properties. Name of the method we want to access, getVehicleColor parenthesis. Also let us echo the output returned by the method. Let's add a line break here. And after assigning property values to object vehicle2, we will access getVehicleColor method like this. $vehicle2 arrow, getVehicleColor parenthesis semicolon. Here also let us echo the output returned by the method. Now also add a line break. If we call getVehicleColor method on an object before assigning vehicle_color property value for the object, then the method will return a null value. Now let us save index.php file and reload the browser. You can see the vehicle_color property value for both objects is displayed. Next we will create another method inside vehicle class that sets the price of the vehicle. So inside the vehicle class, let us define one more method, public function set vehicle price, opening and closing braces. Now this set vehicle price method would need to receive an argument which is the price of the vehicle. So let us define an argument dollar price, that is the price of the vehicle, which we will pass through the vehicle object inside index.php file. Now the vehicle class needs to have one more property that represents the price of the vehicle. So let us define one more property inside vehicle class. Public dollar vehicle underscore price. Now inside set vehicle price method, we will assign the vehicle price that is passed to set vehicle price method to the current object's vehicle underscore price property, like this: dollar this, then arrow. Now without dollar sign, the property name vehicle underscore price equals this price. This method doesn't return anything, it just sets the vehicle's price. Now save this file. Now let's go inside index.php file and call set vehicle price method on the context of both objects of vehicle class. So here dollar vehicle1 arrow set vehicle price. Since this is a bus, let's pass vehicle price as 50 lakhs, semicolon. Let's add a line break also. Now after vehicle2 object is instantiated, dollar vehicle2 arrow set vehicle price. Since this is a car, let's pass 10 lakhs is the price, semicolon. Now this will set the price for both vehicle objects. Now we will create one more method inside the vehicle class that will return the price of the vehicle and use that method to display the vehicle price we have set using set vehicle price method. We will create one more method inside vehicle class that returns the price of the vehicle. So public function get vehicle price, parenthesis, opening and closing braces. Now inside this function we will return the price of the current vehicle. So return dollar this arrow vehicle underscore price, semicolon. Now save changes inside vehicle.php file. Now inside index.php, after setting vehicle price for $vehicle1, we will get the price of the $vehicle1 object and echo the result here. Echo $vehicle1 arrow get vehicle price, parenthesis, semicolon. And after setting vehicle price for $vehicle2, let's add a line break. we will get the price of $vehicle2 object and echo out the result. Echo $vehicle2 arrow get vehicle price parenthesis and semicolon. Save the changes and reload the browser. Vehicle price for both the objects that we have set are displayed. So we will wind up the video. In this tutorial you have learned how to create properties and methods inside a class and use objects of the class to access those properties and methods. Hope you find this video useful. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.